Keeps everything really even to use a slicer like that so it cooks better. Put it in a Ziploc bag with some fajita seasoning and taco seasoning. I use the low sodium because the fajita seasoning tends to be a little saltier, and I like to balance that so it's not too salty. And I also add olive oil to that seasoning blend. You just set that aside while you work on the meat. For the beef, I'm going to use a flank steak. Make sure it's cleaned up well enough, which this one is nicely cleaned. I don't have to worry about the little bit of fat and stuff that's here. I think this is fine. And I'm going to tenderize it with this tenderizer. Slice this up. It's going to be really, really tender for the fajita. Same mixture that we put on the veggies. Just a little bit more olive oil in here. And you can see that I have this tenderized, so it's going to get marinated pretty quickly. We just thawed these out under cold water. Now I'm going to add them to the bag here. Same seasoning mixture as the veggies and the steak. I'm also going to add in some diced veggies for this marinade and some cilantro and a half of a fresh lime. I got thin cut chicken breast here. I'm also going to hit it with the same tenderizer I hit the steak with. Now that these are tenderized, I'm going to put them in the same mixture as everything else.
We got a black dog, we got the blackstone, and we got the grill. We're using both the grill and the blackstone?
Yeah, it's Fajita Friday. Blackstone's hot. We have it set to a low heat. We're going to put the veggies on here. We didn't add any additional oil because there's already oil in this with that taco and fajita seasoning.
It smells amazing.
And this has that same marinade as the veggies, just with the added cilantro and lime.
How's the chicken on the grill doing?
I'm not sure that it's there yet. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to check it, and you'll know if it's ready to flip if it doesn't stick to the grill.
It's a good tip. Fajita Friday, in your opinion, better than Stir Friday?
Absolutely. Got our flank steak, nice big one here. Would you look at that? Just look at that.
See it?
Look at that.
I'm looking.
All right, time for the flip. And that's from tenderizing it that you're seeing that there.
Holy cow. Get it?
Yeah. Bad dad joke.
That looks amazing.
It really does, and you can see that pepper and onion that I added in there. This is going to add some amazing flavor. Everything's done, so we're going to throw our tortillas on.
Got our flank steak ready to go. It's about the perfect mediumness you want. You don't want a mouthful of blood when you have a fajita, but you don't want it overdone and dry either. So here we go. It feels tender. It feels amazing. It feels perfect. I'm going to try a piece straight up without it in the fajita. Oh man. Spot on.
Got our veggies nicely cooked here. They're still soft. They have a little crisp on them, but they're not dried out. Steak cooked perfect. Chicken, of course, well done. Shrimp, we like the shrimp a little bit cooked past what they recommend. We just like that char on it. It's really nice.
You mean to tell me you don't like rare chicken?
No, I don't.
I think the steak wolf does, but he might be the only one.
You don't get a fajita.
Just a little lemon lime is what I prefer. You could use some sour cream, hot sauce, cheese if you want. This is it for me. I'm going to start with shrimp fajita. Highlight of my week so far. Amazing. Amazing. You can't imagine the chicken's going to do any better. Let's see. Shrimp flavor better. Chicken texture better. Can't go wrong either way. Let's try the flank steak fajita. Hands down, that's the winner. Perfectly cooked steak for fajita. Just keep it simple. This formula works. It's so good. Well, guys, if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for hanging out with us today.